mean, obviously, you guys see what's missing. So this house, when we bought it, it didn't come with a fridge. The other day, me and my hubby went to go fridge shopping, and we picked out my dream fridge that I'm getting today, which should be getting installed today. Last one. It is coming together. I got my dream fridge. I guess the next video we can do like a fridge restock my fridge, whatever. But I am so in love with this. Oh, I have to show you guys, I also got a washer and dryer too. Look at it! Alright guys, love you, bye!